Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got 2016 Pete 389 factory built glider kit to show you. Pre-emission 12.7 Detroit, 13 speed, 58-inch flat top, super clean inside and out. I've gotten hot, so I'm going to show you blow by and oil pressure as well. Excellent steers, clean under the hood. It's a Southern truck, so there's no rust anywhere. Moderate blow by. Excellent look to it. The dual straights, just enough ticking lights on it. White truck can lease on to anybody, haul anything, anywhere. I don't see anything beat up on the tanks or the steps. Somebody's taking really good care of this. Match Virgin on the back here. Couple weaker tires on the front drive. Overall, they're in pretty good shape. Excellent brakes. Just a few rock pecks on the back of this, on the back of the cab here, on this back corner here. Be about the only paint blemishes anywhere. Platinum interior, matching leather Peterbilt seats. Love the window in the back in these flat tops too. I don't think I'd order one without it. Interior's super clean. There's your miles, temps up. Great oil pressure, especially for 500,000 miles. Don't really have any mechanical history on it. Over 30 on the low side, and then you can tell it's just super smooth. Oil pressure jumps up exactly like it's supposed to. Really appreciate you guys watching. If you got questions on this one, give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.